So the yellow flapper will get another spin with those doubles, multipliers. There's still doubles and triples. Yellow flapper, good luck to you again. That's up to 400x to go now. And that's a 40x, 40 yellow flapper, 1,445 of you got at 40x. Well played. $643 winners in total this time on Crazy Time. Good job. The betting time is open and we're running out of betting time. So final seconds. Nice. 25, 15, and 40x. Previous one was 25, 25, 50x. So the yellow flapper twice show the higher multis. Anyways, good luck everybody. Cash on gets a 5x. That would be great. That would be sweet. Still in the last 24 hours, the highest multi was 700x on a cash out. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Like really. 5x multiplied. Cash out is taking a place right there. Oh, hold on, my lovelies. Now I'm so happy I'm back on the game. Welcome, welcome. Let's first see the basic multis. Up to 500x times 5 everything. Oh, look at that. 2.5kx, 275, 250x's, 100x's. Woo! I hope you gave it a bet. Guys, everything got covered, getting mixed and shuffled. One of those emojis will bring 2.5kx right there for you. So, carousel stops, emojis and multipliers were not connected. If you gave it a bet, you're getting one shot. Now you gotta choose one emoji by yourself or on the auto pick. That's up to you. Final seconds, more likely you go hard. The multiplier that would be, multipliers are just amazing there. Multiplied by 5. And we go, shooting out and revealing in a second. You ready? Only after you decide I will tell what I'm picking. Only after you. I don't want to affect my bunny downstairs. Brings down 25x. So that's why I didn't say that. Go. 61 of you got 2.5.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.